Hey everyone, Sean here from Tesla Family. I'm going to show everyone what options we used here at Tesla Family for a car seat in my Tesla Model 3. Let's take a quick look. So this is what we've used in my car here. Again, I've had it about 6 months and this has worked out really well for us. We've got a Graco car seat, Bricka Deluxe kick mat that protects the back side of the passenger seat from my daughter's feet. And the Bricka Guardian seat protector. The Bricka Elite Seat Guardian to protect my seat from the pointed edges of the car seat here. The actual model of our car seat is the Atlas 65. Works really well in our car. We like it. Just to throw out a disclaimer here, none of these products here were given to us. We've paid for them all with our own money. Alright, let's take a look at the back seat here. I already have the Bricka Deluxe kick mat installed. Pretty simple. There's really only the attachment point here that's a buckle. That goes over around the head of the seat. You can see that there. And then there's an elastic band with another buckle down here that goes around the bottom part of the seat and kind of tucks in front. I can show you inside the passenger seat here. So this is where the bottom part of the kick mat is an elastic band. Doesn't get in the way there. And the top part is a web belt. You can just tuck it into the headrest right there. It works really well. The installation of the Seat Guardian is very straightforward. You really just plop it in to where you want to position the car seat. I like mine in the rear passenger side of the car. You take this other web belt here, put it over the top of the rear headrest here, and this just sits in here nice and flat. No other attachment points. So we're going to go ahead and put the car seat on top of it. And again, this is a nice solid platform, and it keeps the sharper edges of the car seat from digging into the leather seats of the car. Alright, now we're going to put in the Graco Atlas 65 car seat. To be completely honest, Rachel picked this out. So, you know, props to Rachel for picking out a good car seat that works really well for the Model 3. So I'm going to try to put this in as best as I can with one hand. Okay, so the car seat is sitting in the car, and there's just going to be 3 attachment points. There's going to be 2 attachment points here on the side, and you tighten it down with this buckle, and they go into the anchor points buried back here in the seat. You can see one anchor bar here by my thumb here, hopefully. And actually on the seat it will tell you anchor point. I'll go ahead and put that on. You can hear it click in. Okay, hear that? Clipped in. Make sure it's nice and loose. We'll clip it on the other side here. This one goes in the same way. It's a metal bar, and you just put it in and clip it on. And that's clipped in. Okay, now we're going to go to the top. Alright, mount the top of the car seat here with the rear anchor point, and I've already popped this up. All the Model 3s come with 3 of them. Imagine you could put in 3 car seats. We've only done the one here. You take the rear strap of the car seat, and from what I've seen in the manual, the best way to attach it once you pull it out here, is wrapping it around the left-hand side of the seat headrest, if you're looking at it, and anchoring it right into this clip point. Okay. It's clipped in there. We'll be able to tighten it down with this strap. Let's go ahead and do both sides first, or the bottom first. This is easy, you just tug on it. You want to make sure it's tight. Not sliding around, so I'm going to really have to crank down on this. One of the better ways for me to do it is actually to put my knee into the seat and put some weight on it. Okay, the bottom is pretty snug now. I want to make sure that the sharper point of the car seat is on the map here. Okay, now we're going to tighten the top down. This probably will take 2 hands. Alright, now I have the top all tightened down here. You can see it's pretty solid. There's a little bit of shake. I could probably do a little bit tightening down here to conclude the video, but otherwise there it is. It only takes about 5 minutes if you're not holding the camera to go in and out of the car. So we like it, and our daughter likes it. She usually falls asleep in the back of the 3 when we're on road trips. So one last thing, we just tucked this strap in here behind the seat. Looking from the driver's side rear, you can see there is definitely room for at least 1 more car seat. You probably could squeeze 3 in there, be really tight. But the 1 seat works well, and we can fit 2 full-size adults, and there we go.